Hey, if your Redmi Buds 3 Lite keep disconnecting, I'm gonna show you one way how you can fix it. So you have to first input both earbuds inside the charging case, the left and also the right one. And then when they are inside, we have to click and hold the touch sensors right here and right here, just like this, for around 5 seconds. And you can also take a look on these small indicators on the left and the right earbud. When it starts blinking quickly, it means that the reset is complete. There we go. Right now it blinks for the 3 times, so I can release, and now I can forget the old connection and try to pair them one more time. So to do this we have to remove the both earbuds from the charging case. So select them, accept the pairing, and right now tell me if it works for you. And if it doesn't work, the only way to fix it, just go to the warranty and use it, because there's like no any trick or process to perform to fix this issue. Right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.